Can you believe that this was made with just corn and coconut? Do you see how fluffy this is? Not only fluffy, this is so delicious. You will love it, your kids will love it, and your visitors will also love it. The good news is that the ingredients are always found in your kitchen. Yes, they are not far away from you. Now, let me walk you through on how I achieved getting this tasty bread. In my blender, I added 600 grams of corn, then I added 3 raw eggs, went in with 200 grams of milk, went in with 2 spoonfuls of honey, yes, for sweet now. I didn't add any sugar in this. Then I added my coconut flour. If you have the main coconut, the raw one, please use it. One secret I'll share with you here is for you to blend it for a long time for it to be fluffy. After blending, I went in with my baking powder, my vanilla essence. Then I added oats, a cup of oats. Then for the sake of my kids, I have to put all these fruits. You can do yours without adding the fruits, okay? Pour your butter into your blender. That is all. It's so simple. It won't even take you up to 10 minutes. Pour your butter into your pan. Put it to put it into your oven. After 20 minutes, this is what I have. This is so tasty. This is so tasty. You need to try it. Imagine having corn and coconut together. Trust me, you will love this. You will love it. And your kids will love it. There is no sugar, no flour, very healthy. You see it? So nice. You can have it as a snack, or you can also give it to your children as a snack. So healthy and yummy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support us. Thank you.